The future is moving faster than anyone expected. AI gadgets in 2025 are already powerful enough to replace your laptop and even your phone. These aren't concepts, they're real, working devices changing how we live right now. Tell us in the comments, which gadget would you ditch your phone for? Limitless Pendant. Step into the future with the Limitless Pendant, wearable AI, device that's as stylish as it is powerful. Available in sleek shades like black, white, pink, ash, blue, and purple, this pendant isn't just a tech gadget. It's a statement piece designed to blend effortlessly into your lifestyle. Whether you wear it around your neck or clip it to your shirt, it looks like an accessory but works like a personal assistant. What makes it shocking is its intelligence. The Limitless Pendant transcribes conversations in real time, organizes your meetings, and even delivers instant summaries that keep you 10 steps ahead. Imagine walking into a boardroom and never missing a detail again. This AI ensures you're the sharpest in the room. With just a tap, you can ask questions and get instant answers, making it your on-demand knowledge hub. Durability, covered. It's weatherproof, lightweight, and powered with a jaw-dropping 100 hours of battery life. In a world drowning in distractions, the Limitless Pendant cuts through the noise and keeps your focus razor-sharp. This isn't just wearable tech, it's a game-changing AI companion that turns everyday hustle into effortless brilliance. Plaude Note Pin. Ideas are fragile, gone in seconds if not captured. That's where the Plaude Note Pin AI recorder comes in, a revolutionary wearable built to safeguard your thoughts before they vanish. Ultra-thin and versatile, it can be worn as a wristband, necklace, clip, or pin, blending seamlessly into your lifestyle. But don't be fooled by its minimal look. Inside is an AI powerhouse. This device doesn't just record meetings, conversations, and spontaneous ideas, it transforms them. With AI-powered transcripts, automatic speaker labels, and professional templates designed by experts, Note Pin organizes your world in ways a regular recorder never could. Need clarity? It generates crystal-clear summaries, action items, and even branching mind maps, turning chaos into structured brilliance. And the shocker? It remembers everything. Ask for a specific detail, and Note Pin instantly pulls up what was said and when, like having a backup brain that never sleeps. With up to 40 days of standby time and secure cloud integration, it's not just portable, it's virtually limitless. The Plaude Note Pin isn't just a recorder, it's a memory capsule for your life, ensuring no idea, no matter how fleeting, ever slips away again. Sightful SpaceTop G1. What if your laptop screen wasn't stuck at 14 inches, but expanded into a 100-inch private workspace visible only to you? That's exactly what the Sightful SpaceTop G1 AR laptop delivers, rewriting the rules of productivity. Equipped with lightweight AR glasses and a sleek laptop base, the SpaceTop unlocks an infinite digital canvas, a portable command center where multitasking feels effortless. Whether you're brainstorming, managing multiple apps, or pitching ideas on the go, this device gives you more space to think, create, and dominate. Powered by the latest Qualcomm chipset and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, it ensures your virtual world is crisp, fluid, and shockingly real. No clunky monitors, no messy wires, just a screen that exists wherever you do. With 8 hours of battery life and built-in spatial AI, it's not just a laptop, it's a gateway to the future of work. The real magic? Privacy. Only you can see your massive screen, making it perfect for confidential projects or distraction-free focus. The Sightful SpaceTop G1 isn't an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift, proving that the future of laptops is limitless, immersive, and invisible. Elgato Stream Deck Neo. In a world overloaded with apps, tabs, and constant notifications, the Elgato Stream Deck Neo is your secret weapon of control. Compact yet insanely powerful, this sleek gadget transforms the way you interact with your digital life. With 8 fully customizable keys, the Stream Deck Neo allows you to automate repetitive tasks, launch apps instantly, and command your workflow with a single tap. Imagine joining a Zoom meeting, switching scenes on a live stream, or launching creative tools, all at lightning speed. Its central info bar keeps you updated with real-time notifications, time zones, and status alerts, ensuring you're always one step ahead. But here's the shocking twist. It's not only smart, it's sustainable. Built from over 60% recycled plastic and shipped in 100% plastic-free packaging, this device proves that performance and eco-consciousness can coexist. Paired with Elgato's intuitive software and preloaded profiles, you're instantly equipped with professional-level control without the learning curve. From gamers to creators to professionals, the Stream Deck Neo makes multitasking feel like magic. This isn't just a controller, it's a digital command center, putting ultimate productivity, creativity, and control right at your fingertips. Senda Ergonomic AI Mouse. At first glance, the Senda Ergonomic AI mouse might look like an ordinary wireless mouse. But don't be fooled. This futuristic gadget is a game changer for productivity and comfort, engineered to protect your wrist while powering your workflow. Unlike standard mice that twist your hand into awkward angles, the Senda features a vertical ergonomic grip that keeps your wrist straight, easing pressure and preventing long-term strain. Hours of work? No problem. Your comfort stays intact. But it doesn't stop at ergonomics. The Senda is built for the multitasker's lifestyle. With tri-mode connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 devices, laptop, tablet, desktop, and switch between them instantly with a single click. No cables, no hassle, just pure efficiency. Add in 7 programmable buttons and silent clicks, and suddenly you're in complete control without the noise or distraction. Its built-in 500 mAh battery lasts up to 2 months, and with fast Type-C charging, downtime is almost zero. Plus, with integrated multimedia controls, you can play, pause, and adjust sound directly from the mouse. The Senda Ergonomic AI mouse isn't just hardware, it's a fusion of comfort, intelligence, and versatility, reshaping how you work and play. LG Smart Monitor Swing. Meet the LG Smart Monitor Swing Beast, a 4K UHD touchscreen that doesn't just display your work, it adapts to your lifestyle. With its 31.5-inch vibrant IPS panel, covering 95% DCI-P3 color, it brings spreadsheets, designs, and entertainment to life with stunning clarity and depth. But the real shocker lies in its flexibility. Thanks to its torsion hinge and wheeled base, you can tilt, swivel, rotate to portrait mode, or roll it across the room. Cables and adapters? Hidden neatly in the base for a clean, futuristic setup. This is not just a monitor, it's a dynamic workspace on wheels. Powered by WebOS, the Swing Beast doubles as a full entertainment hub. Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, Apple TV+, even live LG channels, all streamable without a PC. Add in remote PC access, cloud integration, and video conferencing support, and suddenly your monitor becomes your ultimate command center for work and play. Designed for productivity, engineered for versatility, and built for lifestyle freedom, the LG Smart Monitor Swing Beast isn't just another screen. It's a shocking hybrid of power and adaptability, turning every corner into your personal workstation or theater. We've just seen AI gadgets that feel like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yet they're already here in 2025, reshaping how we work, connect, and play. From smart glasses that replace screens to devices that act like your personal AI assistant, the future is no longer coming. It has arrived. Imagine a world where laptops and phones become ancient relics, replaced by sleek, intelligent wearables. Would you embrace this shift or hold on to the old tech? Drop your thoughts below, because the future conversation starts with you.